Oh boy, look at this lineup. We got 3488 Pista in different colors. Wow, what a combo. Wow, look at this green. Looks so amazing. Perfect spec. And there's a blue one here. Wow. Look at this combo. 3488 Pista. This is Pista Spider. Look at that spec. Might be tailored made.
That's not a Lambo, whatever it's called.
Lamborghini.
Okay, it's not that fast.
This green just looks so awesome on the 488 Pista. Oh, I hear something. It's a Corvette.
Oh, like that?
Lord. Look at this. What the fuck? He's gonna send it. Nice rental. Get that shot, boy. Yeah.
Beautiful.
I love all three of these, but damn, this green here. I've never seen a green that beautiful on a Ferrari. This is just gorgeous, gorgeous. And I mean the car. If you know what I mean, the car. Come on, send it. Hell yeah. The white Ferrari F430. Pretty rare color. Checking out the 480 Pista. He was like over the line and then going to turn left.